New product release, folks. 53 to 57 core support. We make this in a one piece. It comes from our XL57 project. We're making this in a 6-ounce layout. So you have a nice rigid part. You got to keep in mind, this is what's holding your front end up on your car. Between this and your core support, our uniformity on our hand laid parts, 6-ounce layout, you got nice uniformity. On the inside piece of this is when you're going to have the hood open. You can see down inside of here from up high. Nice finish you got on it. That'd work as it is. But if you're doing a Restomod or something high end, you sand it down and paint it color of the engine compartment that you're doing, color of the car, however you do it. Indentations are all here for all your holes to drill out for your hood hinges. And the hood hinges on this was designed, we're using the Corvette Central hood hinge on that application. So this is good to go. New product, nice, solid, helps hold up the front end. Thanks for watching.